Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Learn Reality Consult. Today, I will be teaching you how to view data in Arcmap 10.7.1, Exercise 2. In Exercise 1, we learn about how to load data into Arcmap by using two main methods. One is using Add Data button, and other one is using catalog window. Today, we are going to view how those data that was added to Arcmap, how we are going to view them. So this support sheet is designed to make you familiar with the tools to navigate data, which is displayed in Arcmap. It will explain how to make layers visible and non-visible, how to change the order of the layers, how to use the tools toolbar. So our first thing that we want to learn is how to switch the display of layers on and off. This is the layers, special buildings, car, main roads, neighborhoods. So how to switch the display of layers on and off. In the table of contents, click in the checkbox next to the layer's name to uncheck it. The layer is not shown in the map display. So let's do it. This is you check it. All special buildings are gone. Can bring it. Check it. All the buildings have come. All the buildings have gone. Then cars have also disappeared. They appeared. Main roads all gone. Main roads have appeared. And the neighborhoods have already disappeared. Neighborhoods has also appeared. So that's how to switch the display of layers on and off. Secondly, we also learn how to change the layers display order. Layers are drawn one on top of the other in the sequence defined by the order in which they are listed in the table of contents. As layers are drawn, they can hide other layers. To make sure that you see the features you want to see, you may need to rearrange the order in which the layers display. So this basically just about you can click on it, drag it down. You see how the buildings, when the buildings appeared below, they are not shown on the map, and that's exactly what this indicated. As layers are drawn, they can hide other layers. To make sure that you see the features you want to see, you may need to rearrange the order in which the layers are displayed. So when I brought the special buildings below the neighborhoods, the special buildings are not displayed on the map. So let's send it up again. It has displayed. Let's bring cars. Cars has not also displayed. So means they arrange in chronological manner. When you bring them up, that is, let's bring roads. Roads also refuse to display. So let's bring neighborhood down, and now everything has displayed. So the third is how to navigate the Arcmap using the tools toolbar. The whole of this is what I represent on the slide. This is the tools toolbar. So the first one is the One is the zoom in icon. Zooms in on the map data. Activate the zoom in tool and drag over an area in the map, or click in the map to zoom in around the location you clicked. So if I click on this zoom in and I come and draw some rectangle on it, you see I'm zooming in into a specific area, So the second one also is zoom out tool. Zoom out on the map data. Activate the zoom out tool and click or drag in the map to zoom out around the location you click or drag. So let's go to zoom out, click on it, draw a rectangle, the green, you see that's gone to the extent. So now the third aspect is the number 3, which is the third aspect, zoom to full extent. If you want to get the full extent of the map, you need to click on it. Zoom to the entire area covered by the map. So you are viewing the entire area covered by the map. Click the full extent tool. So when you go to this, click on this, that is, you are viewing the full extent of the map. And then we go to the fourth one, is what? Fixed zoom in tool. Zooms in on the map to 75% of the current extent. Click on the fixed zoom in. So when you click on the zoom in, you see about 75% of the extent, and then zoom out. So and now we go to previous extent. Zoom to the previous extent you were viewing your data. Click the previous extent. Assuming that this is the previous extent, so if I want to see how I was viewing my data, keep on click on it. It's going backwards. And if I want to see the forward, this is it. That is this arrow. So previous extent and next extent goes forward through the sequence of extent you have. The pan for navigation. You can move the map to any point that you want. You can drag it, you can move it to anywhere you want. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. To see more videos of this nature, kindly subscribe to Live Reality Consult. Thank you very much.